Okay, let's try this parabola question here. And we're going to sketch this graph that they show us here. They tell us that there is a x-intercept of 2 and 0, that it's a parabola, and that it goes through 0 and minus 4 down here. This is the parabola. And y equals mx plus 1. We're given that that goes through 1 there, and that's the function g. Determine a and q. Well, we know q. Q is minus 4 because it's the y-intercept. And then all we do is we take this other point, 2 and 0, we let x equals 2, y equals 0, and we can figure out what a is because we know q is minus 4. We get 4a, and then we add the 4 equals 4, so a must equal 1. First question done. Now let's work out the gradient of the line, Well, we know that this is 2 and 0 over here. If this is 0, by symmetry, this must be minus 2 and 0. You can't let y equals 0 and then solve it and show that it is definitely minus 2 and 0, but you don't have to do that. You know that's minus 2 and 0. You know it goes through 0 and 1. You can find the gradient. You just subtract the y coordinates, subtract the x coordinates, and we get a gradient of a half. Then it says determine the coordinates of f. That's where the two lines cross. Now my picture in the middle might obscure this thing. And they say to assume all this. Well, that means we've got the equations. We've got f of x equals x squared minus 4, and g of x equals a half x plus 1. F is where they equal each other, where they cross, where they intersect. And that's what you do. You let them equal each other. And then you solve. Multiply everything by 2, and you'll get x plus 2 equals 2x squared minus 8. Then subtract x, and then subtract another 2, and then put two brackets and factor it. 2x times x gives you the 2x squared. Minus 5 times 2 gives you minus 10. And the nice thing, the way I set this up here, minus 5x plus 2 times 2 plus 4x, it's all working out. We've got two answers here. X is minus 2, which we kind of want, because we know they cross right there, and 5 over 2. So that's my answer, 5 over 2. Now, you can't quite see it because my picture's blocking it out. You take 5 over 2, and you just go 5 over 2 plus 2, and you get 9 over 4. So F has coordinates of 5 over 2 and 9 over 4. You'll see it when you look at the slide presentation. And there you go, all done.